Most older motorcycles in India are not fully E20 compliant, and that's the real issue we riders need to talk about today. We will talk about what you can do to make your bike run good even with the E20 fuel, what we are getting now. This part of Moto IQ where we increase your motoring IQ. These are raw, uncut videos where I have a one-on-one conversation with you. और एक बड़ी बात है आपके comments. Don't feel shy. Comment डालना मत भूलना because that's how we are going to start our intelligent conversations around motorcycling. I'm your host Nikhil. This is Motorcycle Trails. Let's ride, learn and evolve. तो E20 फ्यूल तो इंडिया में आ ही रहा है, बट द बिग क्वेश्चन इज we are moving fast towards E20, but not all our motorcycles are ready to be run with E20. They are mostly E10 या lower वाली quality में जो चलते हैं fuels में. तो उनका क्या होगा? Do they become useless या फिर can we take some steps to make them run smoother? The problem is simple. Ethanol is alcohol based and it absorbs water. It corrodes metal and can damage old rubber hoses, seals and carburetors. Older bikes, especially those with carburetors, were not designed for this, obviously. That's why E20 fuel can reduce your performance and it can increase your knocking and it can cause long term wear on your bike components. Take an old Pulsar, Charisma, or even imported bikes from the early 2000s. Many of these machines were designed around pure petrol or at least E5 fuel, not even E10. Put E20 in them and you will notice knocking हो रही है. Under acceleration you will see and feel कि भाई reduced performance हो रही है, reduced mileage because obviously ethanol has less energy. Fuel system damage भी हो सकता है, hoses में swelling हो जाती है, carburetor की jets clogging हो जाती है और old tanks में rusting भी हो सकता है because ethanol is going to attract moisture. अब ये हैं action points for riders and here are some practical solutions. First is use fuel additives. Special stabilizers are available which reduce the corrosive effects of ethanol. Invest in one if you're riding an older bike. Upgrade your rubber parts, change fuel hoses, O-rings, gaskets जो होते हैं ethanol वगैरह को जो कि resistant हो. Do regular tank checks. Don't leave fuel sitting too long. Keep your vehicle running, right? And ethanol जो होता है basically it absorbs water if it is parked for a long time. So if you are going to store it for a while, drain the tank. कार्ब को भी हो सकता है आपको ट्यूनिंग करनी पड़े. यू मे हैव टू रीजेट योर कार्ब. देख लेना आपकी व्हीकल पे आपको देखना पड़ेगा. यूज़ प्रीमियम पेट्रोल वेर एवर अवेलेबल बिकॉज सम pumps are still selling E0 like I think XP100 although they are very very expensive. They are worth the extra money if you have an older superbike. Otherwise I think you can skip that. You can go for shorter intervals with where you can keep on changing your fuel filters and keep on checking your system components, right? You can also consider upgrading your machine if you want because old machines चला के बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा नहीं है. So if you can just upgrade to an E20 compliant motorcycle. That I think would be the safest bet. So riders, ethanol fuel is going to here. It is going to be here and it is going to not go away. So that doesn't mean that older bikes die. With smart maintenance, I think, and with some awareness, you can keep them running and you can keep them running strong. And I let me know what you riders think about this. Should you hold on to your classics or should you shift to smarter new bikes? Drop your comments in the this box below and let's start intelligent conversations around motorcycling. Ride safe, ride smart और अपनी riding IQ को बढ़ाते रहो. See you in the next one.